Welcome to video PN-18, World Series Probability. Here's the question. The World Series is the best of 7 games. Once a team wins 4 games, the series is over. Suppose Team A is the better team and has a 0.6 probability of winning any game, and Team B is the worst team and only has a 0.4 probability of winning any game. There's going to be 2 questions. First one, what is the probability that the series will go to 6 games? And the next part will be go into 7 games, and it'll be a similar setup. Okay, so the probability that it goes to 6 games, well, either Team A could win in 6 games, or Team B could win in 6 games. So I'm going to have 2 subparts right there. So let's set that up. Team A wins in 6, or Team B wins in 6. Okay, so let's find the probability of each of those happening. Well, for it to go to 6 games, it must first have gone to 5 games. So what I'm going to do is say, in each scenario, say 5 games has happened, then Team A has won the 6th. 5 games has happened, and then Team B has won the 6th. All right, so let's set that up. All right, so 2 steps. Step 1. So if it's gone to 5 games, basically A has won 3 games, B has won 2 games. So the number of ways of doing that. And then step 2, A wins game 6. Likewise over here, step 1, in this case, B wins 3 games, A wins 2 games, and then step 2, B wins game 6. Okay, so all I've got to do is find the probability of each step, multiply it, add it over there, and I'm done. Okay, so I've got 5 games that have been played, and A has to have won any 3 of those. So just to give you a visual. So out of 5 games, A has won 3. For example, it could be A, B, etc. It could be A, B. So the number of ways that can happen is out of 5 slots, choose 3 of them for A to have wins. So the number of ways that can happen is 5, choose 3. And then for each one of those branches, the probability is, oh, for A to win, that's 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.4, 0.4. So pretty much for this step right here, I'll do it in black, there's going to be 5, choose 3, times 0.6 cubed, times 0.4 squared. That's just for it to get to that point. And then if A wins game 6, well, the probability of that happening is just 1 more 0.6. Okay, let's do it over here for Team B. This is for Team B winning in 6 games. Again, it must have gone to 5 games, and B must have won 3 of those 5. So I'll just set it up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for example, it could have been B, A. Again, there's 5, choose 3 ways. And the probabilities are 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.6, 0.6. So the probability of that step is going to be 5, choose 3, times 0.4 cubed times 0.6 squared. And then again, B is winning the sixth game. The probability of B winning any game is 0.4. And just so you know, I'm multiplying. And that's the setup. To save time, I've computed it already. So let me just erase this. I got 10, that's for that, times all of this was 0.0, I'll just write down the final answers. This was 0.20736 plus 0.09216 for a sum of 0.29952. And that's the answer for, in this situation, the probability that the World Series will end in exactly 6 games. Part B is going to be the probability that it will end in exactly 7 games. And I encourage you to try to work it out on your own first. And then if you have questions, follow along with my solution. So here I go with part B. Okay, so Team A could win in 7 games, or Team B could win in 7 games. It's going to be a similar setup, so let's see if we can do it a little bit quicker. So the first step is A wins 3 games, B wins 3 games, times A winning in game 6. Plus, again, A wins 3 games, B wins 3 games, and then B wins in game 6. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. So the number of ways that this can happen is that I have 6 games, choose 3 of them for A to win. So 6, choose 3, that'll take care of that. And then the probability of each step is, oh, if A is winning 3, that's 0.6 cubed. If B is winning 3, that's 0.4 cubed. If A is winning in that, this is game 7. Sorry about that. If A wins in game 7, well, that's just 0.6. Okay, now for B winning in the 7th game. Again, there's 6, choose 3 ways for that to happen. Again, it's going to be the same. I'll just do it the same. 0.6 cubed, 0.4 cubed. Now B is winning in game 7, so it's going to be a 0.4. And again, we're multiplying here, and we're adding in between. And I got 0.165888 plus 0.110592 for 0.27648. And that's the answer for part B, the probability that the World Series will go to the 7th game in this situation. And there you have it, how to use probability to figure out World Series events.